Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item in our used range in a Swift Archway Ruby Hartwell 2013. A fantastically well-spec caravan on a single axle with a single bed layout and rear bathroom. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So in really good condition and really well looked after by the previous owners. You've got a generous sized front locker box for two 6 kg gas bottles, your step, your electric hookup cable, your water pump and light items, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. You're benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, which is an independent braking system to assist in braking the caravan should you enter into a snake for any reason. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch to underneath the front couches, and also an exterior 240 volt socket. The Archway Ruby logo, so this is a dealer special caravan from another dealership, so with some key additional features. You've got an access hatch here to underneath one of those single beds, and the decal going right the way through the back with that bedroom window there. This caravan does not have a motor mover fitted to it, so a key consideration if that's a need for you, we've got some fantastically competitive prices on our motor movers. So stepping inside, you've got a generous under-counter fridge, a nice large kitchen work surface with work surface extension. You have an Omnivent extractor fan in the kitchen area, and your oven and grill benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, with a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. You've also got an easy usable height microwave and then a lovely chrome trim going all the way around on these wood locker doors. Panoramic sunroof located at the front, coupled with a generous sized Hecky light, creating a fantastic feeling of space. You've also got the PIR sensor down there for the alarm, and this caravan benefiting from the Truma blown air heating system and other control panel located above the habitation door. You can see from the quality of the fabric scheme that, as I mentioned earlier, extremely well looked after by the previous customers, and it really is in fantastic condition. You've got a small chest at the front with short pull-out table, a television point and some 240 volt sockets on the front binnacle there to enable you to pop a television on the front there should you wish. So as we step further forwards, we've got further storage underneath here and a nice generous sized wardrobe with vanity mirror on it. Stepping through to the single beds at the back. So the single beds lift up with plenty of storage underneath, and at the moment not down, but a full set of carpets for the whole of the caravan coming supplied with this caravan. Ample amount of storage as we go towards the rear of the caravan, and also here is a triple arm TV bracket with further television point should that be a need and consideration for you. So stepping through to the bathroom, a very nice sized bathroom. So your Thetford toilet with storage located above, and also a nice light in there with Hecky light to be able to pop some lighting in. A generous sized square shower cubicle, also with hanging rails, so if you wanted to put your wet jackets and things like that and hang those up in there, you can. Also benefiting from the 2-lay bike rack fixing, so you could put a bike rack on the back of this caravan should you want to consider purchasing one of those as an accessory. So this gives you a real good understanding, a good feeling for what this caravan has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour. We look forward to hearing from you should you have any questions, and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.